you want to use a pry bar, you can possibly use a hammer. These two clips will be holding the carpet down to your trunk. You want to lift these off to give you access to remove the top bench. You pull the cover back, it'll have some Velcro. These two screws will be 12 millimeter. And these are the only two screws that are 12 millimeter. On the bottom bench will be 10 millimeter, as well as the side cushion. So use the 10 millimeter. And after removing this, there are two clips you need to access. They're right under the bench on the left passenger and right passenger. Ford Sport has it in the middle. So you unclip these and the bench should slide right out. And now I'll remove the side cushions, which are going to give you access to your brake line, the 10 millimeter socket. Grab it from the base of the bottom and just wiggle it up. On the top right there by my hand, there's a piece that connects the third brake light, so you can flip that.